So you're in the market for a brand new online bed and you're checking out the Bearstar Hybrid, but you also just realized that Purple produced an entire line of beds within their premium collection. Which option are you going to go with, and what are the main reasons to go one route over the other? That's what we're going to try to talk with you about in this video. If you didn't already, my name is JD. I work at a place called the Slumber Yard, which is basically the channel in which you're watching this video. So if you like what you see over here and you enjoy the content that we produce for you, we're trying to educate you guys about online options since you can't really try them out at home for yourself. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for so much more. But in today's video covering the Bearstar Hybrid and how it compares to all of the Purple premium beds, we're going to start off by talking about the policies that these beds are backed by. Then we're going to delve into the main similarities between these mattresses. We'll talk about how they really differ and the reasons to get one option over the other. And near the end, I'll even try to sum things up with a nice final verdict for you, so stick around. If you reach the end and you find that you want some more information regarding any one of these mattresses that I'm about to mention, check the description box down below this video screen. We should have a ton of related content and helpful links for you to peruse down there. But without further ado, let's compare the Purple Premium Collection to the Bearstar Hybrid.
At the Slumber Yard, you know we work real hard to find the right bed for you and save you money on it.
Okay, so as we always do in these videos, let's start by talking about the general mattress policies that these two brands back these beds with. And right up top here, I do want to clarify that we did receive all of these mattresses that I'm about to cover for free from their respective brands to review. But if you end up ordering any one of them for yourself, you're going to get completely free shipping to start. Now, some of the higher tier Purple premium mattresses may get to you with complimentary white glove delivery. Most of the others should show up with completely free bed in a bag shipping. The Bearstar Hybrid should show up with traditional bed in a box shipping, but however these mattresses get to you, it shouldn't really cost you anything extra. Once they're in your possession, you'll also get a pretty nice sleep trial with both. With the Purple mattresses, you get around 100 full nights to test them out at home for yourself before you're officially stuck with them. And with the Bearstar Hybrid, you get a little bit more time, so around 120 nights with this guy to really see if it's going to be right for you. And if within those first 3 or 4 months, you end up not really liking any one of these mattresses, they're just not right for you for whatever reason, that's fine because you can get completely free returns with both brands, though both will probably ask you to try it out for at least 1 full month before you make your final decision. They just want to make sure that you're really giving it a college try before you're just sending it back willy-nilly. But we highly doubt many folks are going to be doing that anytime soon since you're already watching this video and doing your research, so that's great. And so in the case you do want to keep these beds, they're all backed by some pretty nice warranties. You get a standard 10-year warranty with all the beds in the premium collection from Purple. And with the Bearstar Hybrid, this bed is actually backed by a lifetime warranty, which is above and beyond the usual industry standard. So if you need any more information about the warranty liner notes or any of the other policies that I just briefly covered, check in the description box for so much more. But now let's get into the main similarities between all of the beds within Purple's premium collection and the Bearstar Hybrid. And aside from these all being the more enhanced mattress offerings from either brand, they're also hybrid mattresses by default. And this means that they use a combination of coils for support on the bottom and then various comfort elements above those coils for comfort. And because all of these beds use coils on the bottom for support, they're naturally going to be able to withstand and handle all body types right off the bat, including much heavier people. If you didn't know already, pocketed coils are basically individually siloed mattress springs that go a long way in improving a bed's motion isolation. They even give them some airflow advantage. And if you just like bouncing your mattress, that's also something that coils provide. But what they really do is just go a long way in providing a lot more bidirectional support and long-term durability for bigger people. So with all three of the Purple Restore beds and the Bearstar Hybrid, you've got coils on the bottom right off the bat for support. But above those coils is where you're going to start to see the main differences in terms of construction between all of these mattresses. The Bearstar Hybrid uses various comfort foams and a nice European pillow top right above to give it a really standard pillow top feel. This bed should strike a really nice balance of overall comfort and support, and I just really prefer the feel of a pillow top mattress. It's one of my personal favorites over here at the Slumber Yard. I sleep on a pillow top bed, and I think a lot of folks out there are ultimately going to enjoy this type of mattress feel. It's just really accommodating, and it should feel really familiar, something like a fancier hotel bed that you may have slept on in the past. Now, all three of the Purple Restore beds, since they feature that layer of gel flex grid on top that's proprietary to Purple, it's going to feature more of an untraditional or unique style of mattress feel. If you take a closer look at that gel flex grid, you'll see that it's not really like a conventional foam, more so like a rubber. So it's super stretchy and responsive, and it somehow manages to feel soft and firm at once. So when you lay down on your back on a Purple mattress, you'll almost feel kind of of weightless, but then when you switch to your side, it'll kind of conform to the shape of your body nicely and offer a really good amount of pressure relief. It's a really interesting material that no other bed within the online space really has at this point, and it offers all of the Purple mattresses, including these three, with really unique feels. But it is going to be kind of divisive, you know. Some sleepers out there don't really like the feel of Purple beds, others really love it and are die-hard Purple fans. But you know, you kind of have to know what you're getting into with Purple. It's just for the more adventurous mattress buyer. All three of the Purple Restore beds are going to feature a foam transition layer just beneath that gel flex grid. It's going to be a little bit different on each mattress. The Purple Restore Premier actually features foam topped coils, which we haven't really ever seen over here at the Slumber Yard before, which is kind of interesting. But just know that they also have some foam in there for you. Now, when it comes to firmness, this is another area where all of these mattresses are going to differ slightly. So with the Bearstar Hybrid, it's only available in one firmness level, and we would clock it at a flat medium on our scale, so it should be a great option right off the bat for all sleeper types, whether you like to sleep on your back, rotate to your side, rotate to your stomach, or, you know, roll around at night like a combination sleeper. You should be pretty set with the Bearstar Hybrid, and having a bed with a medium firmness profile is always a safe way to go, especially if you don't really know what firmness you really prefer in your brand new bed. Now, with all three of the Purple Restore beds within their premium collection, you can kind of tailor the firmness level that you want a little bit more. They're all available in two different levels, a soft and a firm. We have the Purple Restore in their firm option, and we would say it's right around a medium firm on our scale, give or take. So it should also work out for all sleeper types fine, but it might be a little bit more supportive for primary back and stomach sleeping. In terms of the Restore Premier, we have their soft model, and we would say it's way softer than the Restore in the firm. It's right around a medium soft, maybe even a little bit softer than that. It's frankly one of the softest beds that we've tried out so far over here at the Slumber Yard. It's probably going to only work out best for strict side and combination sleepers. But hey, if you like a really soft bed and you're a strict back or stomach sleeper, go for it. Could work out great for you. Now, we unfortunately don't have the Restore Plus just yet over here at the Slumber Yard, but based on those two completely different firmnesses from the Restore and the Restore Premier, I would say the Plus is going to be right in the middle, especially if you go with the firm option. It might be a little bit firmer than a medium for you. But firmness is a really subjective thing, and it really varies on a case-by-case basis. Mainly depends on your body type, so if you maybe want to check out another option from Bear or Purple, there are a ton of others for you to consider. Purple has the original Purple mattress in their Essential collection. It's right at a flat medium, and it still has that really distinct purple feel. It's an all-foam bed for average builds. They also have the Purple Plus, which is a softer version of the original Purple mattress, still going to be an all-foam bed for you. And then they just introduced an entire new line of beds called the Luxe collection, and those are the Rejuvenate beds. We have the Rejuvenate and the Rejuvenate Plus over here at the Slumber Yard, and those are more pillow top options with a little bit of a purple feel as well. In terms of Bear, they have the original Bear mattress, which has more of a dense memory foam feel, another all-foam option for you. They also have their new Bear Pro Hybrid, which is basically a hybrid version with coils of the original Bear. And then they even have the Bear Elite Hybrid, which is the highest tier option that you can get from that brand. We'll try to link all these other mattress offerings from both brands down below in the description box if you maybe want to check them out for yourself. But getting back to the Restore beds in the premium collection from Purple and the Bearstar Hybrid, what are some fun facts that kind of set these beds apart from the fray of your average bed? Well, for Purple, I would just say it's the amount of airflow that you get from these beds. That gel flex grid has little to no surface area, and so it just allows for a lot of air to travel and circulate through all those little holes and pockets within the grid. And when you move around on a Purple bed, you can kind of feel some of that air traveling with you or kind of moving around as you move, so that could be pretty beneficial for especially hot sleepers. Now with the Bearstar Hybrid, their main X factor has to do with the material in the cover known as Celliant. So this is a textile that's been recognized by the FDA as a general wellness device, and it's supposed to help with all sorts of things related to bettering your overall sleep on a nightly basis, like increasing recovery times, improving bodily circulation, and a whole slew of other benefits. Now we're not scientists over here at the Slumber Yard. We can't really prove that Celliant works the way many experts say it does, but a lot of people, some on our team even, have tried out beds with Celliant in the cover, and they swear by it, so it could move the needle for you. We'll try to link some more helpful information regarding Celliant as a material down below in the description box, but now it's time to get into pricing. How much are you going to be shelling out for the Bearstar Hybrid and all of the beds, the Restore options in that premium collection from Purple? And right up top here, I do want to mention that pricing within the online mattress space changes quite often, so if this pricing isn't exact as of when you're watching this video, you know, that's our bad, but we should have whatever is most current and up-to-date linked down below in the description box, along with some discounts to help save you the most amount of money possible. But as of when I'm recording this video, you can expect to pay a little bit over the $1,100 range for a queen size Bearstar Hybrid. For the baseline Restore option from Purple, right now it's going for around the $2,100 mark after discount for the queen size. For the Restore Plus, you're looking at around the $2,600 range for that queen size. And for the Restore Premier, that's going to be the most expensive option within their premium collection. As of when I'm doing this video, a queen size is going for around the $3,200 mark after discount. So yeah, it's quite a bit of chunk of change to spend on a brand new online bed, but you have to remember you are purchasing a quality product when you go the route of the premium collection for Purple. So just keep that in mind. These are all really nice mattresses that are definitely worth it. At least to some, you could spend up a lot of money and find that this is not the right option for you, but you have those nice policies that you're backed by there. You can return the bed for free and get all your money back. It's that simple. But that's pretty much going to do it for this comparison between the Bearstar Hybrid and the Restore beds in the premium collection from Purple. That's really all you got to know, but now let's give you a short and sweet final verdict. We'd say look into the Restore options in the premium collection from Purple. If you want supportive hybrid beds with unique feels that are available in a couple Firmness options, and you don't mind spending up for a quality product with a nice amount of airflow, and then check out the Bearstar Hybrid if you also want a supportive hybrid bed, but you want more of a pillow top feel that's right around a flat medium. You like the sound of that Celine cover, and you want the much more affordable option after discount. $1,100 for a quality pillow top mattress is hard to beat within the online space these days. But let us know your thoughts on this subject. Which option would you go with? The Purple Restore mattresses or that Bearstar Hybrid? Write us down below in the comments because we want to hear from you. Again, if you need any more information, maybe I missed something in this comparison, check in the description box. We should have our full written review of these beds, other comparisons with them, buyer guides with them on it, and even discounts to save you the most amount of money possible. If you do decide to use those discounts, it actually goes a long way in supporting our channel. We really appreciate that from you guys. And if you like this video in general and we maybe helped educate you a bit on these mattresses today, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. But that's going to do it for this one. I'm JD with the Slumber Yard. Like always, sleep right, sleep tight, and we'll see you next time.